Ooh. What's this? I don't know. Oh. Ooh. What's this? Oh. It's a package. Ooh. I don't know what it is for. Oh, it's from... Holy moly. It's jacknjellifys, Bell, California. It says 5651 Rickenbacker Road. Yeah. We should tell Cookie Monster about this.
What is it? What is it, guys? Yeah, what is it?
There's a package. We should make it. I'm gonna make it ours. We making it. So can we open this?
Yes, let's do it. All right, guys. All right, let's do it. Hi, guys. It's me, Cookie Monster. Me and our friends going to do the package. So today we're gonna unbox it. So we're gonna pause the video until we have to unbox it. So let's do it. So we're gonna pause the video. I'm gonna pause the video. All right, guys. I just paused the video. I just opened it, but look at it. We have a X. Hallelujah. 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 All right. We're gonna pause the video again. So be sure you're ready. All right. Let's pause the video. Okay, guys. I just paused the video. I just unboxed it. The X Splash is here. Wow! X Splash! Oh my God! Your hair for life.
Yeah, I know for. Oh, where all these people come from?
We've been here to Pennsylvania.
Yeah, I'm here from Pennsylvania.
Woo! Okay, so. Alright, guys. Now where were we? Now, here's a bag with it looks like down here. You're gonna see it because of the Dream Island. And I got this. Here's the back of the bag. So, plus, if you want to go to ship down to California, so please go to jacknjellifys.com and find the link there. And find the link in the channel. jacknjellifys. Alright, now where were we? Today, we have a subscriber here. So, we have a subscriber. So, they subscribed to last week or this week. Shout out to Loreen Wolfinger So, who subscribed to us. Congratulations! Congratulations, Loreen Wolfinger. Thank you for subscribing to us. You really appreciate it. And thanks for watching my videos. Alright. Now, let's clean all this mess. Now pause the video.
And so, are you guys ready and waiting for? We're going to have a clap out of funniest pictures. So, whatever you do, you just make it the funniest. They will be having Sam Sparks, Pingu, GTA Suspect, and Couch Potato. So please welcome to our 4 people. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please sure to subscribe and see you tomorrow and see you next time. Bye.
With the skirms, a name of registration, but I know one's name because I always do. And with you.